my name is Tamika Jackson. I am a third grade teacher at Florida State University Schools in Tallahassee, Florida. This year was a little bit different. This is the first year that my third graders are coming into any standardized testing that the state mandates. So we started FAST this year, which means that it was the second week of school and we did FAST testing online, so that was different for them as well. We also are in the midst of using our online program that we use to monitor the kids, and that's iReady. So there's not beginning as much as like that first week we do some things, but it's just benchmarks and background just to kind of see where they are. Everybody has a Chromebook, so this is online, so they are doing one-to-one Chromebook assessments. For students that have IEPs, they are testing within our classroom, but they are allowed to have their accommodation, so they may sit at a table away from everyone else. But yes, it's individualized, everybody's on their own Chromebook. In the beginning, all skills are measured, especially with the FAST. FAST is covering everything that they'll learn in third grade this year, so that's a little bit different for them to get that initial testing that's testing them on everything. So iReady is one of the ones that we use here at the school. That's one that we decided as a district to use. With the iReady, you do have a phonemic awareness score. They will have phonemic awareness as well. So it's a great background too for those of us to kind of say, well, I think this kid may be weak in this area, but then you have that proof once we take that it wasn't just a fluke, that they really can't sound and blend. And so some of those things are great. When we are administering any assessments, we do have a proctor, especially the state mandated ones. So FAST, we do have another individual in the classroom to make sure that I'm following protocol as well as the students are. And it helps a lot when you have those kids with IEPs, because it gives you another set of eyes, someone else to read things to them, as well as to make sure everybody, especially with it being new, is on the right page pretty much. I think to administer them successfully is to give the kids an idea of what's going to happen. So make sure they have some background knowledge of that we will be taking a test beginning on this day. They're very important to just build that background so they're not coming in nervous. Don't downplay the importance of these assessments, but also let them know it's okay if you don't know everything. That's one of the big things that you may not know everything, but I wouldn't have a job if you did. So if you don't know everything, that means I have something to strive towards as we go throughout the school year to make sure you are moving up and getting more background. It also is good to teach them some of those online things. They don't know to scroll. They get to the bottom and they don't know to hit next, or if they look for the arrow. So things of that sort, just some of those background things that first year students that are testing may not know.